Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rashita from my channel Harshavin. Friends, today in this video I have came with a best restaurant in South Africa. So guys, if you want to spend like more than 3 to 4 hours peacefully, then I suggest this is the best restaurant. So friends, the restaurant name is Stonehaven on Vaal. So friends, this is located next to the Bandrift Bridge Vaal River, Vanderwijl Park, Outang. So guys, first we visited Parys Suspension Bridge. After visiting Parys Suspension Bridge, this place is approximately 44.2 kilometer and I suggest definitely you need to visit this place. So guys, coming to the ambience, this place is super good. You can spend quality time with your family members. Here you can do so much, something for everyone and every occasion. Here it has boat cruises, themed functions, restaurant, and for wedding also. You can see it's a huge acre of land and it is well occupied with the flowers and it is well decorated. What I really liked is the greenery all over, and there is a separate playground for kids also. So you can spend a quality time here. Best part is there is a cruise where you can see the sunlight and enjoy the view. And for casual cruises, river cruise for 1 hour. You can enjoy the scenic beauty. Cruise runs daily and the charge is rand of 145 per person for adult, and for kids under 12 it's of 95 rands. And there is a dining cruise also, which is called as a lunch cruise, a 2-hour cruise with full buffet lunch. Enjoy the stock bar. Kids under 12 you need to pay 210 per person, whereas it is 595 per person for adult. And there is a breakfast cruise also, a 2-hour breakfast cruise with full buffet option. For adult it is 430 per person and for the kids it's 210 per person. And also it has romantic couple cruise which is of 430 per person, and activity cruises like fishing charters and birding breakfast cruise, and also spa cruise is also there. If you're looking for any celebration, you can make a wedding, or for baby shower it's a best idea, for corporate meetings, for team buildings, and for any themed events, kids parties or kids birthdays, bachelorettes or conference. I think this is the best place. Here it's a restaurant guys. Inside there is a very good themed restaurant, and it is well maintained. I think here they utilized each and every space to make it more beautiful. So here come a open view where you can sit, relax and have your food, enjoy your food by looking after the cruise. I think definitely you guys need to check this restaurant, and it's very near to Paris. If you are visiting Paris, then definitely try this restaurant. Thank you.